G'day everyone, welcome back to another vlog on the channel. Second finals vlog in 2 days. We're here at Geelong v Collingwood. I didn't think I was going to actually get tickets to this game, especially not a couple of days ago when I got scammed, but I can thank PH, was it, or your uncle? Ryder's uncle, with Ryder. We might have to move though. These aren't our proper seats, but fingers crossed we can stay here. We'll find somewhere to sit, I guess. But yeah, this should be good. Probably the biggest finals game this week, I'd say. Going to be a huge crowd. Predictions?
I reckon Collingwood get up by under a goal. I don't know.
I like Collingwood to win, to be honest, but I'll go the boring pick and go Geelong by 20. But as long as it's a good game, I don't care who wins. Come on! Jesus Christ, look at this atmosphere. 3, 2, 1. Here we go! Here we go! First bounce!
Here we go! Cats and the Pies. Qualifying final number 1.
Oh! That's ball, isn't it? Yep, they've paid it.
Lipinski around the body.
Slots in! Pies draw first blood, they kick the first goal of the qualifying final. Ball! Yep, holding the ball. He's got it!
It's touched. It's touched.
Was it? Was it touched?
The goal umpire said touched.
Well, they have to do a score review then.
Maybe touched on the mark here.
That looks like touch, actually.
I reckon there's a finger on that. I reckon that's touched.
Yeah, Collingwood fans are liking that. No way. Oh! Who was that? Mychek. Dacos. Yeah, he's got it. Getting push in the back. How's that not a push in the back? What the hell's going on? That was push in the back. Oh, Myers, you idiot. Cameron.
This one.
Go. Go, finally! To the booms! To the booms! They're going to blow the siren. Yeah, they've run out of time. Quarter time here at the MCG. Cats 9, Collingwood 23, quarter time. The Cats, every single final, I think their last 5, they've averaged 46 in the first week. Or whatever the stat is, it's shit. They need to score more, the Cats, if they want to win this. Pies have turned on the pressure. They've lifted up the intensity. They've been the better side, and yeah, they're looking good so far early. Tom Hawkins will have the first proper shot of the quarter, 6 minutes in, to get their second goal. The goal. Again to the booms. Here go the Cats. Here go the Cats. Here go the Cats. They can't fuck this up. Oh, you idiot. Jesus, the Cats are crumbling under pressure. What are they doing? Oh, imagine. That's not deliberate. How would that be deliberate? Like, seriously. Oh, that's a good kick, Rowan. Go, Rowan. He slots it. Oh, he's played on.
You better kick it.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Goal. Mate, I can't believe that. For one, how did Mychek kick that goal? Was that Mychek?
How did Mychek fuck that
And
up?
then, secondly, that
that's ball.
he just stopped there.
Ball.
That is clearly ball. Yeah. And just like that, great close goal, puts the Cats in front for the first time today. Mate, if that guy realises I'm filming him, I'm fucked. Look at him, he's still going. Who's talking to him?
That bloke in the suit.
He could almost get kicked out if he continues. Oh no. I've got to be sneaky with this.
I thought he was going up to him.
He's going. Sayonara,
I thought he
sucker.
was going up to him.
Hoskin Elliott to put the Pies back in front before half time. On the siren as well. And that's a really good kick. Oh boy. The Pies lead by a point on the siren. Well, there you go. What a half a footy. Close game we've got on our hands. The Cats definitely dominated that quarter. They controlled it, kicking 4 goals. No, 3, sorry, to 1. But a very important goal. Very important late goal for the Pies there. 1 point game. Ash Johnson. First year player. Kicks the goal. Great kick. Mitch Duncan lining up. Yes or no? Well,
He's to the right.
Oh, he's got-
how many points he's got.
He's got to kick this, surely. To the boos. To the boos. Can you hear that? He's got it. I don't know why I was excited about that. There were like no Geelong fans here. Oh, no one went up to compete. Rowan. As Burnout would say, Gary Rowan. Can he put the Cats in front?
Yep.
Yes, he can.
Yep.
Up the Cats.
Oh my God.
Got a goal out of this. What a goal. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! He hit the post from 2 metres out.
He's got the kick away. He's got the kick away.
It's a goal! How did he kick that? Jesus. This is what a game of footy we've got here. The
What a
Pies
game.
regain the lead.
Come on, Pies.
And it's a 1 point ball game. Oh my God! Wow! Can you believe that? Look at the Pies fans giving him shit on the boundary. Oh, this would be some sort of goal.
Leeds. A good kick. Oh my God.
Oh! Hey, look at those, he silences the crowd. The amount of incredible goals in this game. You know, Johnson from one end, Cameron the other.
And the goals are starting to come now.
Yeah,
not
exactly.
Just points.
Not just points. What a goal! He's Mr. Clutch. They're going to run out of time, I reckon. Yep, that's it for the quarter. And what a quarter that was. 7 point margin, the Pies lead by 7. It was a really good quarter, a very exciting one in terms of the goals. It was just goal for goal. Geelong kicked 1, the Pies kicked 1. And yeah, 7 points. It's really anyone's game. It's going to be an absolute thrilling final quarter. Can the Pies hold on yet another close one? They always seem to get it done. The Cats need to get this win. Otherwise, people are just going to continuously give them shit about choking in finals. Oh, to go in! To go in! Pies lead by 12 points. Kicked the first of the last quarter, and they've got the 9-11. And he nails it. Clutch Cameron. And the Cats respond. The Cats! The Cats! They're in front! They're in front! Geelong are in front! Collingwood had so many chances inside 50, but Geelong just kept defending their asses off.
2 minutes into the last.
And now the Cats with the lead. 1 point game. They're going! Oh my God! Oh my God! The goalie kicks a goal to put the Pies in front with 5 to go in the last quarter. Wow!
And the 5-minute warning just went off before that goal.
5 minutes. 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes to go. Oh! Oh! Rowan takes a hanger. What a mark.
That's to put him back up by a point. Oh!
Goal. Goal! It's a goal! The Cats are in front again. This is one of the greatest games I've ever watched. There's no way. Oh, what a crowd.
What's it, 91,800?
Yeah, Ryder gets Ryder's closest to the dot.
Go, Jacob. Giddy!
That's clever. That's clever. Oh, fuck.
We're all tied up.
We could actually be set for extra time. Imagine it's extra time. That's not ball.
Rowan!
Oh, he's dropped it. Geelong. No way. The Cats kick a goal with 1:30 to go to lead by 6.
What?
1:30. I think, yeah, Pies fans starting to leave. 6 points. No, that's it. Sign's going to sound. Maybe not. Oh no! Geelong by 6. Wow! Wow! Geelong win by 6 in one of the great games you'll ever see. The one Collingwood loss in a close one is in a final. How unlucky is that? Wow, what a game.
We are Geelong, the greatest team of all. We are Geelong, we're always on the ball. We play the game as it should be played.